Let me create another sketch and let me give the title of this file as clock 4. Go to create and select polygon. Go for circumscribed polygon. And here I'm going to select the center point, and then here the first entity that it is showing is the radius of this circle, and circumscribed to this we are getting this polygon. So I can choose this as 60. Okay, and then I have to decide the number of sides that my polygon will have. So this is a regular polygon, so all the sides will have equal dimension. So here I can give it as 9 or 12. Okay, so it almost looks like a circle. So let's make it simple and give it as 6. Then click enter and I have got this clock. Now I can give fillets to this so that it looks like more like a clock. Then click OK. Let's create a pattern using these points which have been formed because of the fillet. This is just for decoration. So go to arc tool and click on 3-point arc. So for creating 3-point arc, we need 3 points. The first point, the second point, and then any other point which will decide its in between point. Similarly, we can also go for arc, center point arc. So for this, you can see the instructions over here for any tool, and you will find out that first you have to select the center point, then you have to select the other points. So for me, the center point will be this. So I'm selecting this and I'm going to select this point. You can see how I have created this. So similarly, we have another one, arc, which is actually tangent arc. So if I have a line, I can actually create an arc which is tangential to that line. So here I have this line, and tangential to this, I have got this line. So this is a kind of a pattern that we can create. And then we can have ellipse. So let's see, I'm going to create this ellipse by choosing this as my center point, and then my major axis or minor axis point, and then give another point which will decide the other radius. And similarly, the same I would like to have it here also. So I can use mirror tool. So for that, first I need a construction line. So after drawing this line, just select that line and then select construction. Then go to mirror tool, select this ellipse, and for the mirror line, just select this one. Okay. So this time my clock will have a face. Similarly, you can have slots also. So very large number of slot options are given here. These are very similar to how we have drawn our circles and our arcs. So you can try them out. I'm going to show you one simple 3-point arc slot. So this is same as the 3-point arc we have seen. First point, second point, and then the third point. So this was an arc, but when I click, you can see that I can again get kind of an offset arcs, which I can select where they have to be. So save this, clock 4, and let's move on to some more examples, right? Let us take a canvas and let us try to trace that picture so that we can practice sketch tools even better.